What's up, guys? Today is the Bear Mountain meet, and I'm gonna be meeting up with some friends, and we're all gonna be driving there together. So today should be fun. All right, pulling up to the school. Yep. Look, it's my friend Tyler. So, you taking this with it to Bear Mountain? All right. The spoiler's sick, bro.
Bro, tell me how my dad told me yesterday he was going to Europe.
I don't know.
he just left.
You said you were taking him to the airport.
I was, my sister's doing it.
Yeah.
Dad just really skipping plastic up the front.
That's what's up.
I got 40%. I'm on like 30.
Let me like say what up to YouTube. Gang gang. Gang 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 gang.
Yo. Dags, what are you skipping? Cow?
Say what up to YouTube,
Yeah.
bro.
Yo.
Oi.
I want to be a YouTube video. I'm gonna kill you. Oh, look for my toll.
Yo, you excited, bro? You excited, bro?
I want to see a Lambo. No,
There better be one.
Yo, you're some kid.
For the tube.
Can I do a kickflip for the tube? You're like dive. Stationary? Can you do a kickflip? Oh, you're scared. I got it like,
bro, do it while you're moving. Do it while you're moving. Don't do it stationary, nigga. Oh!
Close enough.
God, wait too much.
You got these heavy ass boots on. Put them shoes on.
Yeah!
Have you ever skated before? I just don't want to bust my ass.
Tyler, you fucking wait. Bro, give Tyler his shoes back.
He lost
do a
it.
kickflip.
That boy's just been in the car just sitting there.
Oh, no, no! What are you about to do?
Those aren't more comfortable.
Alright.
Oh!
See it.
So I paid $460 in pictures. This fucking guy.
Yo, I need that speed car, bro.
Yeah. I got my camera.
Woo!
Yo, I got the tripod and everything.
Yo,
Shit is clean.
Oh fuck. Hey Alan, give it a rep, bro.
It doesn't rev that high. That's limited.
Sounds nice though.
Yes. I wish it would go high.
Alright, finally heading out. Yeah, yeah. This car's so sick.
Oh shit, he's trying to go away from me, and he has big tires, and I just hear bah, bah, bah. It had like a little crash. Fucking scumbag, yo.
Bro, if anyone rides my ass, I drive the car.
Wait, you said you wanted your ass ridden?
Yeah, you ride my ass, my European ass.
Bet. Yeah, yeah. What up?
Damn, yo. Let me see that. Vlog for you.
Bet.
Oh god.
Yo, damn, what's up?
I do a lot of editing with this nigga behind the camera.
Nah, I ain't gonna curse. I'm gonna let you get your money.
We need 10K views.
Yo, check out this automatic right here, bro.
Yeah, you wanna say something to the vlog?
We challenged Playboy Breno to a race in his barrel.
Fucking
You think we could beat him?
Nah, we get washed.
Well, it's his car, he knows.
I kept up.
That's what's up, bro. Yeah. Yeah, it's popping off just a bit. Got that skyline? You see the skyline? Yo, where's your car? This shit's fucking, I know, bro. Goddamn.
32.
Yeah.
Permanent cough, popping the pills again. Used to think you was my dog, now you're not my friend.
Alright, we made it.
Yo, our shit looks slammed as fuck when they're on
I know.
more, right, Lauren? Jackson?
Pops'
Yeah,
9/11.
love it.
Dude, I just love dapping people up on camera.
With a whole bunch of guys, and I'm like who can make it a practice tonight? And everyone's telling me.
Have that little black one. Car seat and everything.
Well, when I put it in the group chat, nobody responding, so like I'm taking that as a no.
This thing.
What do you like about it? That's wild. What is this? That?
All right, it's good to see Jim in his natural state. That's good.
We didn't even check the Rari over there.
That's what I'm saying. It's a 355. Sorry. This color, bro. Fuck. Yo, E30 M3. Oh my, you know how much those fucking shits are? All right, before we go there.
Watch out. The furthest towards Kenya.
Touching my car.
I know
tires and all, but I ain't ready for it. Yeah, sometimes.
Sorry. So the paint is pristine.
Hey, Lucas.
What do you think?
Great.
E55 AMG, 600 horsepower. XWRX. Marco's 328.
Get that whole thing?
Yeah, I got that whole thing.
Yes, yo, it's just gonna be viral.
Just wait.
Like you just shit on everybody. Okay, let me prepare myself. Ah! Ooh. That's it?
Ah, don't be driving so slow.
This. Hit the B crossover, baby. We can make it. No. Oh shit! Yo, my nigga. Yo, what the fuck? Julian, I love you. Ah, Julian. Yo, my nigga. Yo, I just went on fucking King to God. Yo, my nigga. Yo, you are the best driver in the world. Yo, what the fuck? I have no balls to do this. Oh, yeah, yo. Ah! Ooh, ooh. I can't. I'm so tense right now. This front view seat is fucking crazy. Oh my god, I think I'm shaking. Wait, wasn't that the car that we saw?
Yeah.
When we fucking first started leaving?
Drove up Bear Mountain. Hopefully Dan recorded that well. But we out here. You know. We got stuck behind a truck. Did you see? I don't know if you saw.
I didn't realize that was deep.
Oh yeah.
I heard it.
Yeah, that's why I went all the way around. It happened last time too, so I had to go around.
No, I know.
Seems okay. Yeah, it looks okay. Yes, sir. So Dayon's gonna record the way back down.
I'm gonna try to record it right now.
Hopefully he doesn't have a seizure.
Damn, your shit's pretty low. My phone can't even send it.
Carbon fiber again.
Turn your headlights on, kid.
I used to hate going back to class with the same clothes. Now I don't wear shit twice, cause poppin' tags, that's all I know. She said you been gone for too long, I know that you been fucking hoes. I've been in the studio cause chasing bags, that's all I know. Me and my drop poppin' addies, been up a phone like 10 in a row. All you gotta do is text the addy.
Here we go. Yo, what the fuck is... Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo. Yo. What the... Yo. Yo. Oh, we caught up to the Audi.
Fuck! Oh, I scraped too.
Yo. Yo. Yo, when I saw that fucking rock, nigga,
I saw that fucking cliff, nigga.
I just like, yo, can we like survive flipping right now? That's what went through my head.
Yo, were we sliding or am I bugging?
I don't know, but he turned so
Skid a
dumb.
little, Dylan?
He turned so sharp.
He did skid a little.
What is he signaling for?
To fucking pass it. Oh, that's dangerous, bro. That's dangerous, bro. Around a flying curve.
That was a pebble.